Lots of noise. One day I learned how to turn it down. Oh, they were incredible. And I must admit, I've never been a Houghton fan myself, but although recently I have bought a couple, I'm well impressed with them.
Belgian sitting there. One of it. So it was the first double I bought for years.
Oh wow!
And now I've got all of them.
They brought out a number of different versions of LT.
This with all the buttons and lights and God knows what, you can see what's going on.
As much as it's
Much of the time, but any minute now I'm off we won 20 tickets. Are you okay? The great thing about a layout like this, you can set a loco off at one end and walk away, have a coffee, and then come back to it. Because I spent an awful lot of money and bought one of these wonderful brass tankers where you put the cleaning fluid in and pad underneath. And I found that the pads were getting ripped to pieces on the points. Absolutely ripped to pieces. And then the next thing I found is the cleaning liquid was actually getting down between the blades, drying.
Yeah.